Executing difficult variations of spins on the ice can give skaters a lot of extra points. The highest levels of these spins can even earn points equal to a triple jump. That is why I created this video with off-ice exercises for skaters who want to start working on difficult spin variations. Practicing these exercises on the floor first helps develop the strength, balance, and flexibility needed to make those spins easier to learn and perform on the ice. We are going to work on all three basic spin positions today, starting with the camel position. The first exercise will be a spiral with a body twist. Start by holding your spiral for 3 seconds, then twist your upper body from your waist as much as you can while continuing to hold your balance and keeping your free leg above hip level. Hold the twist for a couple seconds, then return to a square position, engaging your muscles to maintain balance. Now twist in the opposite direction and come back into your spiral. Make sure to practice on both feet, keeping your back arched, your chest lifted, and your free leg above hip level. The next exercise is the catch spiral, where we'll work on switching arms while pulling the free leg higher. Start in a spiral position, then reach toward your free leg with the opposite arm. Make sure your knee doesn't drop below hip level. When skaters do this on the ice, it not only looks less appealing, but can also reduce the grade of execution points. When you grab your free leg, pull it up as high as you can and hold for 3-5 seconds. Then slowly release one arm and switch to the other, holding your free leg again at or above hip level. After that, return to the spiral, hold your balance, and repeat on the other foot. Remember to practice on both sides. Naturally, most skaters have one stronger side, and they tend to avoid practicing the weaker one. I recommend starting with your weaker side, then moving to your stronger side, and finishing with the weaker side again. This will help make both sides more balanced and consistent. The third exercise in the spiral position will be the illusion. We are going to perform it several times on both feet. Start by lifting your free leg behind you and raising the same arm above your head. Begin moving forward while keeping your arm extended overhead and your free leg lifted as high as you can. Then bring your arm down toward the floor, keeping your body and free leg in one continuous line. Slowly come back up, maintaining good alignment throughout the movement. Go as slow as you need to in order to stay controlled and balanced. Exercise number 4 in the spiral position reflects the difficulty of holding a spin either on the heel or on the toe, as in a camel spin. Start from the spiral position, keeping your supporting leg straight, your free leg above your hip level, and your arms extended to the sides and your back arched. From here, work only with your foot. Lift your heel up and rise onto the ball of your foot, maintaining your balance. Then slowly lower back to a flat foot. Next, rock back onto your heel, flexing your foot and lifting your toes off the ground. Return again to a flat foot and continue rocking smoothly from toe to heel and back, keeping your posture strong and your balance steady. If you are enjoying this video and learning something new, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more on ice tutorials. Consider joining my YouTube membership, where you can contact me directly via email with all your skating questions and even request a personalized video on any element of your choice. Click the link above or look in the description below for more information. and join today. Now we are moving to the seat spin position in a shoot the duck. We'll start with the cannonball position or fratiani. In this exercise, your free leg is straight in front of you while your upper body leans forward toward your free leg, head down and hands holding the leg. Make sure your hips stay in line with your free leg. Avoid pulling your free leg up with your arms, as this will shift your balance backward and make you lose control. Try to hold position for about 10 seconds on each foot. The second exercise for seat spin position will be the tuck under. Place your free foot behind and slightly under your skating leg. Lean forward, lowering your body until it's parallel to the floor and bring your head down. You can grab your free foot with both hands and pull it closer to your skating leg. Make sure your shoulders and hips stay aligned over your skating foot. Practice on both sides. The third position will be the pancake. Bend your free leg and place it on top of your skating knee, holding a deep seat position at about a 90-degree angle, with your hip and knee line parallel to the floor. Lean forward with your head down over your legs. This is not only a great strength exercise for your skating leg, but also an excellent stretch for improving flexibility and control. Exercise number 4 for the seat spin is the cross shoot the duck position. This is one of the most difficult positions to achieve, especially during the spin, which is why you don't often see many skaters performing it. Start by crossing your free leg behind your skating leg. You can keep a slight bend in your knee and grab your free foot with the opposite arm. Then gently pull your free leg forward, lowering yourself down into the shoot the duck position. Place both hands on your foot for extra stability and control and hold the position as long as you can. When coming back up, release your free leg extended straight, open your arms to the sides, and bring your free leg back. Before you start working on difficult spin variations, it's important to master the basic spin positions. My Figure Skating Foundations video course on my website styleskating.com is the perfect place to start. You will find hundreds of videos covering everything from your first steps on the ice to basic spins and jumps, as well as other skating skills. Each video includes step-by-step tutorials, common mistakes, and exercises to correct them. After completing this course, you will become a well-rounded skater and enjoy your skating even more, with grace, confidence, and control. Visit my website today and join our growing skating community. Click the link above or look in the description below for more information. Now we are going to do 4 exercises for the upright spin position. We'll start with the screwdriver. Tuck your free leg behind your skating leg, keeping it flexed, and balance on one foot. Lean your upper body forward and reach with your hands in front of you, maintaining your balance. Make sure your hips and shoulders stay aligned over your skating foot. Hold this position, then return by straightening your upper body, opening your arms to the sides, and bringing your free leg backward. Another variation of this position involves adding an arm movement after establishing the initial posture. Bring one arm up while holding your free leg with the opposite arm. This variation challenges your mobility and balance, as you must twist your upper body while maintaining control of your free leg with one arm. The second upright spin exercise is to pull your free leg forward and up with the opposite arm, lifting it as high as you can. Hold the position for as long as your balance allows. Make sure to practice on both sides to keep your strength and flexibility even. Pay attention to your free arm, Keep it extended so that there is a nice straight line between your arms, creating a clean and visually pleasing position. In exercise number 3, we are going to work on pulling the leg sideways, which is often called the Sasha spin, though you may hear other names for this position. The most important part is when you grab your leg. Try to lift your hip as high as you can. You can start with bent knee, which is easier. Grab your toes with the opposite hand and your heel with the same side hand as your free leg. Start pulling your leg to the side, keeping it as straight as possible, and then gradually lift it toward your head. Focus on maintaining control and stability while maximizing your flexibility and balance. The fourth upright spin exercise is the Billman position. Start by grabbing your free leg behind with the same side arm. Then reach your opposite arm over your head and grab your foot with that hand as well. Pull your leg upward with both hands, aiming to bring it above your head in a split-like position, if your flexibility allows. A variation of this exercise is to grab your leg from the side first and then, while lifting it, bring your arms over your head and continue pulling your leg all the way up. This helps improve mobility, flexibility, and control for the full Billman position. That's it for today's off-ice spin exercises. By practicing these movements, you will build the strength, balance, and flexibility needed to make difficult spin variations on the ice much easier to learn and perform. Remember to work on both sides, stay consistent, and focus on proper alignment and control. The more you practice off the ice, the more confident and graceful you will feel on the ice. Thank you for watching, keep practicing, have fun skating, and I will see you in the next video.